Who even know they made seedless lemons? Who even knew that they sold seedless lemons? I did not. Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and I'm gonna show you how to make chicken piccata. Chicken piccata is a delicious dish that's a really good use for chicken breast, which is not personally my favorite part of the chicken. It's just not as flavorful as the thigh, but it works here. Also, I get why people love chicken breasts. They're a blank canvas, easy to work with, packed with protein, and super convenient. Chicken piccata is usually chicken breast, but sometimes cooks use veal that's flattened in many cases. They then also flour it and lightly brown it, then served with a delicious lemony sauce. Also, everyone believes the dish comes directly from Italy, but those people might be wrong. Chicken piccata didn't make its grand entrance into the world of cookbooks anywhere in Italy until after it started showing up in American cookbooks, authored by Italian Americans. That's the thing about this country. People come from everywhere. Use what's available here. They can find that with their wonderful culture and make something refreshingly new and 100% American. We're gonna need chicken breast, lemon, salt, pepper, olive oil, black olives, flour, dry white wine. All right, let's you and I make it happen. I'm starting here by slicing a lemon. Now this lemon is going to be garnished for later. The next thing I'm gonna do is chop up some parsley. Now you can use Italian parsley for this, but this is just regular parsley. Next, I'm just going to juice the other half of that lemon, just like so. Now I'm taking our chicken breasts and slicing them, and then I'm going to cut them in half. So I'm gonna basically turn these 2 pieces of chicken into 4. I'm covering this whole thing with some cling wrap, plastic wrap. And then I'm going to take this meat mallet and smack them. So we're just gonna flatten them out. This dish usually is served with flattened chicken and sometimes veal. Now I'm just seasoning them with salt and pepper, both sides, and pretty lightly. Now I'm gonna coat them in flour, both sides, and I'm gonna shake off the excess. We don't want a big old thick coat of flour, but we want it well coated. Here's our beautiful chicken ready to be sauteed. I'm slicing up some black olives to go in our chicken piccata. And now I'm adding olive oil, and this is pretty good quality, to this pan, and the pan is over medium heat. Now, once the pan gets hot, we're gonna add our chicken. Now you should put chicken in, or whatever you're frying, away from you. But as you see, guys, I don't always do that. And you also don't want to overcrowd the pan. These are not going to do that. This is a pretty big pan. This is actually my favorite pan. I've had it for so long. So we're going to fry both sides until they're lightly brown. This one's looking kind of jinky, but that's okay. We're cooking for home. We're going to move these to a clean plate and get the rest of our olive oil into the pan. Now that stuff on the bottom of the pan is called fond, and it's very important to the flavor of this dish. Now I just put in some roasted garlic, and in goes the white wine. You can turn the stove off for that if you're worried about that, and then turn it back on. Got those olives in there. Now we're going to scrape the bottom of the fond. See that motion? We're getting all those good bits off the bottom. And we add a little water. And the next thing we're going to do is put in some butter. This butter is going to give this chicken piccata sauce a nice velvety consistency. So we're gonna whisk this chicken piccata sauce until it's nice and smooth. We're gonna put the chicken back in. We're gonna heat this chicken through. And it won't take very long for this chicken to heat back up. And we're going to spoon some of the mixture over the chicken. We're just gonna let this cook a little bit. Now, doesn't that look yummy? We're gonna remove this to a plate so we can finish our sauce. Now the lemon juice goes in, and it gives a little brightness. And those olives give a little brininess. Now, it's traditionally made with capers, and you can certainly go with capers here. Gave it a little test, need a little more salt, and a final whisk job. Look at this, guys. Let's sauce it up. Okay, guys. Moment of truth. I'm gonna give it a taste. Yeah, that's what's up. This is pretty good. So, I really like the black olives in there. Capers are great. I like capers. I really like the black olives in this. Capers are great and they're traditional, but sometimes I like to switch it up, and I really like black olives. All right, I'm out. Peace.